Assalamu alaikum, my dear all friends. I hope everyone is good, and I am also Alhamdulillah good. So I want to say everyone Ramadan Kareem. So whoever stay wherever, respect this Ramadan Kareem, respect this 1 month holy Ramadan. I humble request to my all friend follower, whoever follow me. And I want to say again, wherever you stay safe, stay humble, respect each other, and all the community, American community, European community, and the African community, Antarctica community, Australia community, Asia community, Arabian community, all of you, I want to say Ramadan Kareem. I hope everyone pray for me. I also pray for everyone. And I want to say all of you again, thank you so much for support Akhtar Khan. Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan, Ramadan.